Good chilly Tuesday morning, everyone. Welcome to Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. And this is the video forecast discussion for Tuesday, the 24th of March, 2015. And it's a chilly start on your way out the door this morning, especially if you're interior northern New Jersey, where the skies are now generally clear and with sunshine at sunrise. It's a little bit cloudier with warmer temperatures to the south and east. Temperatures this morning range all the way from 13 degrees up at High Point State Park all the way down to 33 degrees at the bottom here at Cape May. Other observations around the region this morning: it's generally clear now across northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey up the Hudson River Valley. And there's a little bit more cloud cover exiting southeastern Pennsylvania into offshore coastal southern New Jersey as a result of a weak shortwave and mid-level cloud cover deck moving over the region, where temperatures anywhere from the upper teens across the interior here into the low and mid-30s to the south and east. Satellite this morning shows the weak trough moving across the region and then out to sea with clearing skies to the north and west of that. And we can see this on water vapor imagery as the darker grays here indicating drying coming into the region for today, and therefore the precipitation that is now over the region or exiting southeastern New Jersey's coastal waters is now away from the forecast region, and all of the observation stations are generally reporting dry conditions. We have no air, land, or sea advisories at the time, but remember, ice breakup movement across the lower Hudson Valley here and interior Connecticut rivers and streams expected to be limited through early Wednesday due to the dry conditions and well below seasonal temperatures. Thereafter, 1/2 to 1 inch of precipitation possible late Wednesday afternoon through Thursday night. The rainfall and mild temperatures would increase ice breakup and movement during the mid to late week period. Isolated ice jams are possible, which, if they occur, could result in localized flooding. And since ice jam flooding is unpredictable and sudden, interest along ice-covered rivers should monitor the latest forecast. Morning surface chart from WeatherRoanoke.com and Digital Atmosphere Software. This morning at 7:20 is not showing the actual observations, but it is showing the trough axis moving off the coast here with the light precipitation echoes now moving off the southern New Jersey coast. This area of precipitation over the Texas Panhandle now making its way into the Midwest will be our next weather feature as this warm front moves through the region during tomorrow night and Thursday, especially moderating our temperatures and also including the chances of showers and then later thunderstorms and heavier rain showers during Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening as the cold front moves through. On the aviational weather deck today, we have VFR conditions in place with high pressure in control. Weak upper level disturbance moves through this morning and then clouds break up for sunshine. A few clouds, if any, are expected overnight tonight. Light northerly winds, northeasterly flow developing tomorrow during the day at around 5 knots or less. Wednesday, mainly VFR in the morning, conditions lowering to MVFR and light rain during the afternoon as the warm front approaches. The rain may begin as a brief period of sleet at Reading and Allentown and Trenton, but that's probably on the outlier side. Wednesday night into Thursday morning, widespread IFR conditions with low clouds, fog, and chance of rain and drizzle. Low wind shear. Low-level wind shear possible Thursday morning due to the possible presence of a low-level southwesterly jet overhead. And then on Thursday afternoon and Thursday night, this is our main concern, VFR with occasional MVFR and IFR conditions and showers and scattered thunderstorms. Friday through Saturday, we return to VFR. Right now outside of Newark, it's 25 degrees, dew point 8, humidity 48%. The wind is light out of the northeast at 10. Few clouds at 8,500, 11,000, and broken at 25,000. Today, it will be a calm day with VFR conditions in place. Chilly, however. And for Philadelphia this morning, 31, dew point 6, humidity 34%. The wind is out of the north at 8. Few clouds at around 9,000, 12,000, and 15,000. Again, today the story will be VFR conditions in place. GFS forecast maps into motion. High pressure over the region today. Lots of sunshine around. Here comes the warm air advection with a warm front to our south and west, lifting through the region during the afternoon and evening on Wednesday, touching off some few light rain showers across the region. And then we're in the warm sector where temperatures continue to moderate from late night values on Wednesday night and Thursday. By Thursday afternoon, temperatures could be in the upper 50s to low 60s across the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. Another area of low pressure here moves towards the Great Lakes, drags a cold front through the region on Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. That's going to increase the chances for rain showers and even in low top thunderstorm across the region. And then chillier air building in over the weekend with a frontal passage and then a second frontal passage on Friday night, making for a chilly weekend, but temperatures moderate by Sunday and Monday once again. And this looks good for next week. Another cold front moving through the region during the day on Monday afternoon, Monday evening. Touches off a few showers, mainly to the north. And then chillier air comes in, but then again begins to modify as we get to the midweek period. Looks like April 1st is going to come in mainly dry with a moderating air mass taking place across the eastern Great Lakes down to the southeastern states, but a very active subtropical jet stream and an active pattern going forward means that we're going to have rain developing across the region late next week as areas of low pressure and cold front move through the region, and the rain will be moderate to heavy at times, and we'll continue with our snow melt and ice jams, breaking away from their sheets of along the river edges there in the Hudson and in the Connecticut and Mohawk River valleys as well. It's going to be a very active pattern going forward with plenty of chances for subtropical jet stream interaction with the polar jet over the next week and a half as we begin to moderate towards our sun spring angle. 500 millibar height anomalies from the GFS, the European, and the CMC model. Looks like things are going to improve slightly as our vortex lifts further to the north and the influences of our polar jet continue to move further to the north seasonally with time as expected. We get into a more zonal flow, but watch this because this is a very active subtropical jet stream showing up on all the model guidance, and that means that lots of precipitation events are on the way. So get outside this week for a little while and enjoy the weather instead of worrying about it. For everything live, it's Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a fantastic Tuesday. We'll be back in video form on Wednesday morning.